Eh, I like to make something clear to a lot of y'all. I'm not a celebrity. I just happen to make some dope music. Celebrities own V-classes, Maybachs, and Bentleys and Ferraris. I ain't got none of that. Yeah, celebrities go for holidays in Maldives, Bali, and all that. I ain't none of that. That's why I behave the way I behave. Like, if I was a celebrity, I'd be here fake smiling with y'all and acting like I give a fuck and shit. But in real life, I'm an asshole. What's fake here? There's a silver chain, stainless. This is an Outcast shirt from H&M. These are Raiders shorts that I'm wearing from, I'm not sure, H&M or factory, somewhere. And I got the J's on. You know I'm coming with the J's. So what fake are you talking about? Nigga, don't expose yourself and tell us what you doing. Hey, Mark Zuckerberg will cut me. Let me insult you in Benek. Msunu. You think I'm phoning? Hell nah. Phone them got sports cars, no real clothes.